Today is the big day. Sophia and Alex are finally moving.
Alex, can you help me with this box? It's too full.
I told you we should have used more boxes, Sophia.
I thought I could fit all my shoes in one. I was wrong.
Clearly, look at this stack of books. Where do they go?
Put them in the office box. It's right behind you.
This one? It's already half full of old magazines.
Just squeeze them in. We don't have much time.
The truck will be here in 20 minutes. We're not ready.
We are ready. We just need to tape these last 5 boxes.
Last 5? I see at least 10 more in the kitchen.
Don't panic, Alex. Deep breaths. We can do this.
Good morning. Are you the folks moving to Willow Street?
Yes, that's us. I'm Sophia and this is Alex.
Nice to meet you. I'm Bill. Ready to load up?
We hope so. Is the truck big enough for everything?
Don't worry, son. I've moved entire mansions in this truck.
That's a relief. We have a lot of fragile items.
I'll handle them with care. Do you have everything labeled?
Most of it. Sophia spent all night with a marker.
Organization is key. Kitchen, bedroom, fragile.
Great. Let's start with the heavy furniture first.
The sofa is the heaviest. It's on the second floor.
No problem. Lead the way, and I'll bring the dolly. Easy does it. Watch the corner on the left.
I've got it. Man, this thing is heavier than it looks.
Careful with the walls. We need our security deposit back.
Don't worry, ma'am. We haven't scratched a thing yet.
Stop for a second. My grip is slipping.
Okay, setting it down gently. 1, 2, 3.
Do you need some water? You both look exhausted.
Water would be amazing, Sophia. Please.
I'm fine, but a quick break wouldn't hurt.
I'll go grab 2 bottles from the cooler.
Make it 3. You've been running around too.
All right, let's finish this wardrobe and then we'll take 5.
The apartment is finally empty. It's time to say goodbye.
It looks so different when it's empty, doesn't it?
Yeah, I'm going to miss this view of the park.
We had some great times here, our first dinner together.
And that time we tried to paint the kitchen yellow.
Let's not talk about the yellow kitchen. It was a disaster.
It was sunny, you said. It was actually blinding.
Anyway, a new chapter is starting. Are you ready?
I'm ready. The keys are on the counter for the landlord.
Wait, did we check the bathroom cabinets one last time?
I checked them. They're empty. Trust me.
Okay, let's go. Willow Street is waiting for us. We're almost there. How are you feeling, Alex?
A bit tired, but mostly excited. Is it the next left?
Yes, Willow Street is just around this corner.
Look at all these trees. It's so much quieter than the city.
That's exactly why I wanted to move here.
I hope the neighbors are nice. I'm a bit nervous.
I'm sure they'll be lovely. We'll bring them cookies later.
Assuming we can find the cookie sheets in all those boxes.
I labeled that box kitchen important. Don't worry.
There it is. Number 42. It looks even better than in the photos.
Oh, Alex, our very own house. I can't believe it.
Park the car, Sophia. Let's go see our new home.
Welcome home. The journey to their new life begins now.
Look at the porch, Alex. We can put a swing there.
And a small table for morning coffee. It's perfect.
The garden needs some work, but I'm ready for it.
I'll handle the lawn mowing. You handle the flowers.
Deal. Oh, look, Bill is already starting to open the truck.
He beat us here. He must be a fast driver.
Let's go. Say hello and get the keys ready.
I have the keys right here. I've been holding them tight.
Give them to me. I want to be the one to open the door.
Wait, let's do it together. 1, 2.
3. Oh, it's so exciting. It's open. Step inside, Alex.
Wow! It smells like fresh paint and new beginnings.
Look at the light in this hallway. It's so bright.
The hardwood floors are beautiful. No more old carpets.
I love the high ceilings. It feels so spacious.
Let's go check the kitchen. That's the most important room.
You only care about the kitchen because you're hungry.
Guilty as charged, but look at this counter space.
It's huge. I can bake so many things here.
And look at the pantry. We have so much storage now.
I'm so happy, Alex. This was the best decision ever.
I agree. Now, let's go help Bill with the boxes.
Where do you want this books box, ma'am?
That goes upstairs in the small room on the right.
Got it. And the lamp, it's right by the door.
Put the lamp in the corner for now. We'll move it later.
Sophia, I can't find the box with the bed sheets.
It's a blue box, Alex. I think it's under the kitchen table.
The kitchen table is buried under 10 other boxes.
Just look for the blue tape. I used it for bedroom items.
I'm bringing the mattress in now. Clear a path, please.
Watch out, the hallway is a bit narrow here.
Don't trip over that stack of plates, Bill.
I've seen worse, believe me. We're almost halfway done. Does it look good here, or should we move it left?
A little bit more to the left. No, wait. Back to the right.
Sophia, my arms are going to fall off. Pick a spot.
I want it to face the fireplace. Move it 2 inches back.
Okay, sliding it back. Now,
Yes. Perfect. Right there.
Finally, my back owes you a favor, Bill.
no problem. It's a nice couch. Very comfortable.
It's the heart of the living room. It has to be right.
Can we sit on it now, just for a second?
No, it's still wrapped in plastic. We have work to do.
She's right. The truck is still half full. Let's keep going.
Moving day tradition. Pizza on the floor of the new house.
This is the best pizza I've ever tasted.
That's because we haven't eaten since 7 a.m.
True, but look at this kitchen. It's ours.
I can't wait to actually cook something on that stove.
First, we have to find the pots and pans.
I think I saw them in the box Bill put in the garage.
The garage? Why did he put the kitchen stuff in the garage?
I told him to. I thought it would be easier to sort later.
Alex, now we have to carry them all back inside.
Oops, sorry, my brain is fried from all the lifting.
It's okay. Finish your pizza. We'll get them after lunch. I'm putting the glasses on the top shelf. Is that okay?
Maybe the second shelf? I don't want to reach too high.
Fine. Second shelf for glasses, top shelf for fancy plates.
Where should the toaster go? Near the fridge?
No, put it next to the microwave. It makes more sense.
And the blender, we use it every morning for smoothies.
Put it in the corner. It takes up too much space.
I found the coffee maker. Life is worth living again.
Can you set it up? I need a caffeine boost.
I need to find the coffee beans first, and the filters.
Check the box labeled Morning Essentials. I'm a genius.
You really are. Coffee is coming right up. Oh no! Sophia, look at the lamp!
Is it broken? I thought we wrapped it so carefully.
The shade is cracked. It must have shifted in the truck.
That's a shame. It was my favorite lamp.
I can probably glue it back together. It's a clean break.
Or maybe it's a sign that we need a new lamp for the new house.
A new lamp, but this one has character.
Character? Alex, it's from a garage sale 5 years ago.
Okay, you're right. We'll go shopping next weekend.
Let's add it to the to-buy list along with a new rug.
The list is getting long, but the house is worth it.
Hello there. I'm Margaret from number 44.
Oh, hi. I'm Sophia. We just moved in today.
I saw the truck. Welcome to the neighborhood.
Thank you so much. It's a lovely street.
It really is. I brought you a little something. Lavender.
It's beautiful. And it smells wonderful. Thank you, Margaret.
Call me Mrs. Higgins or Margaret, whichever you prefer.
Thank you, Margaret. This is so kind of you.
If you need anything, a cup of sugar or a local plumber, just ask.
That's very helpful. We're still trying to find everything.
Take your time. Moving is a marathon, not a sprint.
I'll remember that. I'll come say hello properly tomorrow.
This manual makes no sense. Why are there so many screws?
Let me see. I'm usually better at these things.
It says Step 4 attach Part B to Part C, but I can't find Part C.
Part C is that long board you're sitting on, Alex.
Oh, right. But where does the screw go?
In the small hole at the end. See? It's easy.
It's not easy. It's like a puzzle with missing pieces.
Maybe we should take a break. You're getting frustrated.
I just want to sleep in a bed tonight, not on the floor.
We will. Give me the screwdriver. I'll take over.
Fine, I'll go find the pillows. That's a job I can handle.
Good idea, and find the cat. She's probably hiding. Is this too high or just right?
A bit lower, about eye level.
Here, it feels like it's missing something.
Maybe it needs to be centered between the two doors.
You're right. Now, where's the hammer?
I put it in the tools box, which is somewhere.
Alex, we need that hammer for everything.
I'll find it. Wait, it's right here in my back pocket.
Perfect. Now, hold the frame while I mark the spot.
The first picture on the wall, it makes it feel like home.
It really does, our first memory in our new house.
Ready for the next one? I have a big mirror to hang.
The backyard, a blank canvas for their future garden.
Look at this apple tree. I hope it still grows fruit.
The fence needs a bit of paint, but it's sturdy.
We can build a deck here. Imagine summer barbecues.
I'll be the grill master. I'll need a new apron.
And I'll plant a vegetable garden over there, where the sun is.
Fresh tomatoes and lettuce? That sounds amazing.
It's so much space. We can even have a bird feeder.
I'm just happy there's no noise from the neighbor's TV.
It's so peaceful. I can hear the birds singing.
This was definitely the right choice, Sophia.
I know. Let's go back in. The sun is setting.
The first cup of coffee in our new kitchen. Careful, it's hot.
Thank you, Alex. It smells heavenly.
We did it. All the boxes are inside.
Most of them. There are still a few in the garage.
Let's forget about the garage for tonight. We've earned a rest.
I agree. My feet are killing me.
This kitchen is so much nicer than the old one.
It's modern, it's bright, and it's ours.
And no yellow walls. At least not yet.
Don't tempt me. I might change my mind tomorrow.
Please, no. I like the white. It's clean.
Okay. I'll stick with white for now.
The first sunset at Willow Street, a moment of peace after a long day.
It's so quiet here. Just listen.
I can hear a cricket and a distant lawnmower.
It feels like we're on vacation, not just moving house.
I know what you mean. The air feels fresher here.
Look at the stars starting to come out.
We couldn't see them this clearly in the city.
I'm gonna love sitting here every evening.
Me too. Maybe we'll get that porch swing tomorrow.
Let's wait until we unpack the clothes first, Alex.
Details, details. A swing is much more fun.
You're such a kid, but I love it.
Exhaustion finally wins. Moving day is over. They didn't even make it to the bedroom.
Where's the tape?
Too many screws.
Tomorrow, the unpacking continues. But tonight, they rest in their new sanctuary. A new beginning for Sophia and Alex. Good night, Willow Street. The first morning, a new day, a new home, a new life.
Good morning, homeowner. How did you sleep?
Surprisingly well, considering I spent half the night on the couch.
Me too. But waking up to this light was amazing.
The coffee is already brewing. I set the timer.
You're a lifesaver. Look at the garden, Alex. It's beautiful.
It really is. I'm ready to tackle those boxes now.
Let's start with the clothes. I'm tired of wearing this t-shirt.
Agreed, and then we'll find the cat. I think she's in the basement.
Wait, we have a basement? I forgot about the basement.
More space for more boxes. Welcome home, Sophia.
Welcome home, Alex. Let's start our new life.